Hello, this is the Wooliverse here, and for today's project, I am bringing you a swarm satellite. Basically, each of these has very simple function. It's got a little solar panel on top, so it can continuously work for cheap. It's got a few instruments on them, and they're very small and lightweight. This that I'm moving right here is a swarm probe, and essentially the idea behind that is rather than being able to collect in the atmosphere, it will be able to land on the surface. Again, a lot of them, but it will be a little bit less, than the swarm satellites, being that they are bigger and way more. This here is my needlessly complicated system to get them in the air, and it just works pretty well. Here is my swarm satellite about to actually decouple, and believe it or not, it is actually a very, very effective system. Once you switch on to any of the satellites, you can get it to move anywhere. And some of you might be questioning the usefulness of having so many satellites, but the idea is, say if you're going to like Jewel, you can get, say, even just 4 of these satellites, and you can bring them to each of the moons. And with a big enough payload, you can do very, very simple, like very, very good scientific data for very, very cheap. It's a very effective system, but right now for me it's still in the somewhat in the prototype stages. And these here, again, being that it is in the prototype stages, this is like the first iteration of them, and you can, as you can see, if you carry a lot smaller ones, you can carry a lot more of them. Anyways, yeah, I am the Wooliverse, and hopefully I will be making many, many more of these videos. Thank you, and have a nice day.